Welcome to this video from the RC Ground School. For just about everybody, the word drone conjures up a mental picture of a quadcopter or other multi-motored copter of some type or another. Those are what we'll be discussing in this video. As I've mentioned earlier, the FAA views all flying models to be drones. Well, fine. In our case, we'll be using the common definition that limits the term to quadcopters or other multicopters. The information in the other two videos in this series apply to drones too. You need to find a place to fly, you need to decide whether you want to learn with an instructor or on your own, and there are even basic drone simulators to help develop your skills. Let's divide drones into two categories. The first will be camera drones, and the second will be first-person view or FPV drones. A third subcategory is toy drones. Let's start there, as they include examples from both camera and first-person view categories. Basically, toy drones are small drones that have some or most of the characteristics of larger drones, but are smaller, weigh less, and are generally lower quality. Some of the drones in this category weigh less than 250 grams, so they fall outside the FAA regulations. Amazingly, many of these small drones include advanced GPS-related capabilities and are easy to learn to fly. They have smartphone apps that increase their capabilities and have HD cameras mounted on them for video recording. A toy drone can be a good choice for someone who wants to learn a little bit about drone flying without investing many hundreds of dollars in more expensive and more capable drones. Expect to pay from $100 on the low side to about $250 on the high end for this toy drone category. As I said before, you can find form factors that are miniature versions of both camera drones as well as FPV racing style drones. Full-featured drones are usually larger, weigh more, and have more powerful motors. They also have more capable electronic suites that include better GPS receivers and better cameras. In the camera drone category, these drones can often fly autonomous routes, sense obstacles, automatically return to within a few feet of where they took off, and include powerful HD cameras. The cameras will often be mounted on gimbals that will allow very smooth and steady video shots. Drones in this category can be found from about $250 to $2,500 and even more. Here's a short list of functions you should look for in a photo drone platform. First, it should have GPS. Next, it should have auto functions such as takeoff, land, and return to home. It should have a smartphone app to allow functions such as orbit, follow me, and map integration for flight path flights. It should have an HD camera with transmitter camera control such as up and down movement. Both onboard SD card video recording plus smartphone video recording is also a plus. In the FPV category, the drones themselves are small, fast, and include the ability to transmit video from a front-facing camera back to the pilot's goggles. Much like a fighter pilot's heads-up display, the goggles allow the pilot to fly the drone around a race course filled with a variety of obstacles. Here's a short list of things to look for in a racing drone. It should include easily obtainable spare parts. It should be made of carbon fiber construction. It should have a reputation for ruggedness and a 5.8 gigahertz frequency band video transmitter. You can expect to pay $200 to $300 for a basic racing drone with controller and another $100 to $200 for a basic pair of beginner goggles. It's not unusual for advanced pilots to have goggles priced in the $500 to $800 range. As with a model airplane, if the drone weighs more than 250 grams, you have to register as a recreational pilot with the FAA. We'll look at some current examples of trainer aircraft in the last video in this topic. As we close this video out, if you found it helpful, please click on the thumbs up icon and subscribe to the RCPlaneviews.com channel. Click the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching.